Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to the mini bike build part 1. So a little background on what we're doing. We're working on a mini bike we got on Craigslist over the summer. So it's a frame and engine that goes together. So we were missing a few things like a chain and a sprocket and clutch, so we got those so you guys can watch us struggle by putting all that together. And this has been Jacob for Hick City. Hope you like this video.
Alright, so we were just working on the steering setup right here. We kind of janky rigged the triple tree and everything, but we're gonna make these forks a little bit wider because they don't fit on the tire that we have, so we'll also have to make that work. So yeah, we're working on that right now. We're making spacers for that.
Cruise around on our mini bike, 8 hangers, chopper style. Get the birds off.
You know that this is gonna have to come out another 1.5 inches overall then.
Did you mean 3/4 in total?
No, I meant 3/4.
Alright, let's try and make them fit. Alright, here's
1 inch right there.
no, it's not
Dude,
gonna
we can try.
What song were you singing?
All that
I don't wanna live forever.
Very depressing song.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to come.
You want to pull that side and
Jacob,
I'll
you
just pull
can't
this side
sit on it.
I was trying to get a good camera angle.
I can't lift your.
You gotta move that spacer. Go.
That's it.
Is it?
Yeah.
That girl is a real crowd.
Alright, good job, Ethan. That was good.
Perfect. Look at that, dude.
What?
That fits like a glove. Look at that angle. Look at that. It matches right up. We just gotta put a bead on there. You just cough on me and then say you're sick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm sick.
Alright, let's roll it around. Jacob, get off it. Jacob, pull that engine off.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
It's not
don't
folded
roll
yet.
it around.
Yeah,
Don't pull it around.
Hope it breaks the bolt out.
Alright, we got a rolling chassis.
Okay, so part 2 is we're gonna take this piece of angle, cut it to size, put it in there, and weld it up.
That's
Well, it
not
needs
gonna
to
do
connect to
anything.
that.
That's still gonna put a lot of the weight right here.
There. Welding to this nut.
No.
No, you don't.
No, I did.
Okay, so cut it right on that line.
I have a 2-year degree in grinding.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, I cut that. You marked it wrong.
It was guessing. Here.
Oh, you're
See?
Well, I was guessing.
I cut it right on the line. I have a 2-year degree in grinding.
No, dude, it's so too wide.
Just cut a blade off.
Just cut the.
I went to New York for grinding school. I'm just kidding. I went to Edmond Technical College.
Full like nice.
You have to paint it full.
Like black.
Now it's too small. I'm done.
So it
Close
was it?
enough.
Pretty close.
I mean,
Little iPhone model.
We probably shouldn't post this video because whoever's gonna want to buy this is gonna be like, oh, they did a crappy job on this
How are
part.
you gonna know it's us?
yeah, we have to explain we're selling this.
Yeah, we're selling this. It's for sale.
All of our viewers.
Anyone who wants to buy it,
This is gonna be like a
even though we called it
$900 mini bike
janky, it's
yeah.
actually really solid now that it works. It's just like,
We love it. We
Look-
love it.
it's falling apart.
You love it? I mean, an hour ago you wanted nothing to do with this bike, so don't even go there.
Look at these nice choppers.
We got
Jacob,
3 choppers
Jacob,
in here.
how long have
1,
you had
2,
this?
3.
Jacob.
Jacob, how long have you
These
had
are like at
these?
least 10 years old, right?
They're a year old.
What's up with the duct tape? What
How does the
happened?
duct tape even look like that after a year? I thought that happened like a couple of years after.